Hello, FutureMakers. Welcome to TeacherPreneur. The best way to make children good is to make them happy. It's your first day of school. As a teacher, you are nervous and excited. And trust me, your students are also equally nervous and excited at the same time. हर किसी के दिमाग में चल रहा है कि पता नहीं आज क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, और अगर आप वो टीचर हो जो पहले ही दिन पे पढ़ाने वाली है तो स्टॉप. पहले दिन पे students are not in the mood to study. So then what to do on the first day of school? If you are also facing that question, then today's video is your answer. आज के वीडियो में we are going to discuss some unique things to do on your first day of school to build a good rapport with your students. तो अगर आपको भी जानना है तो make sure you watch the video till the end, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first activity is called Guess Who. As soon as you enter the class, give your students a few chits. Let them write the most funny fact about themselves on the chit, fold it and put it in a jar. Give them around 10 minutes to think about themselves and execute this activity. After everybody is done, you just have to pick up random chits and start reading the facts out loud in the class. And the students have to guess कि किसके बारे में बात चल रही है. For example, I have won a national award for dancing. Who you all think it might be?
Rakhi.
Very nice. This is how the students get to know each other. अगर कोई introvert है तो भी it is a good way to break the ice and get them started into being friends with each other. As a teacher, I'm sure you also want to know whom are you teaching and what are your students up to. So this activity will be a win-win for all. Make sure you give it a try. The next activity will help you know the names of the whole class. If you are teaching in a primary class, then this activity will be a great hit for your first day of school. It goes like, Hickety pickety bumblebee, hickety pickety bumblebee, can you say your name for me?
Ansh Patel.
Ansh Patel.
Ansh Patel.
Loudly.
Ansh Patel.
Slowly.
Ansh Patel.
Ansh Patel.
Ansh Patel.
Hickety bickety bumblebee, can you say your name for me? That's how you can take the class ahead and everybody will enjoy. Alternatively, if you are teaching higher standards, you could ask the students to add an adjective in front of their name to describe themselves. The only catch over here is that your adjective should start with the same sound as that of your name. For example, my name is Khyati. I like to describe myself as Khoobsurat Khyati. In that way, everybody will tell their names in a creative way, and it will be very easy for you to understand the name of the person as well as the quality that best describes them. I'm sure it will be fun for everyone in the class. Try it and let me know in the comments how it went. The next game is called What's in My Backpack. Now, of course, everybody carries a backpack. As a teacher, we do it too. So when it's our turn, we are just supposed to say one unique thing that we are carrying with us in our backpack on that particular day. I did play this activity in my class, and some students were carrying comb, some students were carrying toffees, some students were sharing how they bought their favorite Maggie on the first day of school in tiffin. The stationery freaks were telling how they got a new pen for a new year, and it was a very interesting activity where all of the students got their chance to talk and did so very confidently and easily. So if your aim is to get everyone start talking, then this will be a great icebreaker. I'm a teacher who's always in for positive vibes. So on the first day of school, I prefer giving positive compliments to the other. Some students might be new, but some students might know each other from previous class. So this activity is called a compliment chain, where we have to say one positive thing about anybody in the class. It could be a friend, it could be a new person, it could be anything that details about them on that particular day. Compliments are very rare to give, and hence with this activity, each of the child gets a chance to feel good about themselves. For example, my name is Khyati and I would love to compliment Radhika. Radhika, your curly hair is very good and please give me some tips on how do you maintain. Or, my name is Khyati and I would like to compliment Harsh. Harsh, the watch that you're wearing is very good. किसी के बारे में बुरा बोलना तो बहुत आसान होता है, पर कभी किसी के बारे में कुछ अच्छा बोल के देखिए, क्योंकि फर्क पड़ता है. Do this activity and make sure before you exit the class, you tell the students that your one positive word can make a huge difference to someone in their life. And with this activity, you could also pass the value to your students that whenever you are telling something to someone, always remember the impact that you create in their minds. कभी कभी आपकी एक पॉजिटिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट विल मेक अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस फॉर समवन एंड कैन इवन मेक देयर डे. So always try and say positive things as much as possible. If you're teaching secondary grades, then this activity will be a game changer. By this time, the students are well settled in the school, but the first day is to do something joyous. This is when you could play Who's Most Likely To. Here, you just have to say various things and let the students point out whom they think is most likely to do this. For example, who's most likely to score the highest in this year? Or who's most likely to sing a song for us on the first day of the class? This way, you will know your students well and their hidden secrets too. The students actually enjoy this activity because उनको किसी को point नहीं करना है, उनको ये भी देखना होता है कि मेरा कौन सा friend मुझे किस चीज के लिए point कर रहा है. So they all will be alert and attentive, and throughout the class, the noise level will also be managed. Who said the first day should always be about the students? It could be about the teacher as well. You could ask your students to write assumptions about yourself in some chits and put it in a bowl. You could then pick up each chit and say whether this assumption is true or false. The students don't have to reveal their identity while writing the assumptions, so that it's fair for all, and you will know what questions do they have about you and your personality. As much as you want to know your students, the students also want to know a lot about you. So with this activity, you could make your student-teacher bond even more special. For example, I think you are married. False. Or, I think you teach math subject. True. In case you feel the noise level of the class for the first day is too high and you want your students to work silently but in a creative manner, then you can do this activity. This activity is called Superhero Me. Here, the students have to draw a boy or a girl in the middle of the page and then write good qualities about themselves around the picture. This will make them self-aware of all the qualities that they do possess. They could use colors, sketch pens, crayons, whatever they want to do on their page should be their discretion. At the end, you could just go through all of them or even pin them on the classboard. That's how this activity will not only help the person to be more aware of their own qualities, but as a teacher or as their classmates, everybody will know the personality of each other. Do try it. It will be a great art therapy exercise as well. One bonus tip is that you yourself also do this activity in the class, and you can also show your students your page. One activity that was a great hit with my higher classes students was two truths and one lie. You could point to any student. That student has to get up and say three sentences, out of which one is a lie and two are truths. Now, other students have to identify which one is the lie. If the students are smart enough to form sentences and other students have to really think hard to know which one is a lie, this activity is bound to succeed. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching the whole video. At the end, I would only like to tell you, children must be taught how to think and not what to think. As a new teacher dealing with a new class, I hope that you enjoy your first day of school and your students enjoy it too. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us which is your favorite activity to do on your first day of teaching. Share this video with your teacher friends and subscribe to TeacherPreneur and press that bell icon to be a part of our FutureMakers family. See you soon.